And big breaking news that's coming in this Friday morning. Petitioners have moved now the Supreme Court against the Karnataka High Court's interim stay on wearing the hijab or any religious outfit that was passed yesterday. Karnataka students' plea will be mentioned before the Supreme Court on an urgent hearing basis. So in all likelihood, it will be taken up today itself. But this is a big development. The Supreme Court now getting involved, even as the Karnataka High Court had appealed for more time, saying the hearing will happen on Monday. It will resume on Monday. In the meanwhile, no religious outfits will be allowed in schools and colleges. This was viewed as a setback to the petitioners, which is why now they've gone ahead and moved to the Supreme Court. This issue will be mentioned before the top court for urgent hearing. Remember, it's not the first time that it's resonating in the Supreme Court. Earlier, the top court said, let's wait for the Karnataka High Court to pass its orders on this. Anisha Mathur is joining us with more details on this. Anisha, big development coming in. Once again, the Supreme Court's intervention has been sought in this issue.
Well, yes. Now, remember yesterday's order that was passed by the Karnataka High Court bench, headed by the Chief Justice, had said that the institution will resume the colleges and schools is open, but nobody will insist on wearing religious garments. Now, that is exactly the order that is being challenged now in the Supreme Court, because the students are now arguing that their right to wear religious, their right to profess their religion, their right to wear a hijab will be affected directly if they are required to go to college without wearing a hijab until the High Court decides the matter in finality. They said that this is a question of the right of conscience of individuals, particularly of Muslim students, that if they are not allowed to wear a hijab till the court decides the matter, then their right has already been trampled. Now, remember, this is an argument that Advocate Devdutt Kamath had raised in the Karnataka High Court yesterday itself, when the judges were passing an order. At that time itself, the lawyers had raised an objection saying that this kind of an order would have already affected the right of the students, that the students would either have to choose between going to school or following what their faith says. So now this issue is now going to be before the Supreme Court, because they have sought an order from the Supreme Court that this kind of the order that the not allowing Muslim students to wear a hijab is going to directly affect their right to conscience. So we'll have to see what the Supreme Court now says, because remember, when yesterday a similar matter was mentioned, the court had said, let the High Court hear it first. We do not want to interfere at this stage.